Hey, so one of my students sent me an email yesterday with the subject line loss of motivation. And I've made 4 videos about loss of motivation since this morning. I woke up at 4:30 in the morning with lots of ideas, but this is the 5th video and I hope it's the last one. I wanted to talk about loss of motivation. This student, I won't name him, but this student is me and it's you. Has been playing accordion for a while and they've gotten tired of practicing. They're looking to re-energize their playing. But there are 1,000 ideas that we could do, that I could share for re-energizing your playing. But I think it's a universal truth that we tend to fall in love with something and then we lose that love for it, or the love doesn't get lost, but it gets changed. The progress of playing an instrument doesn't look like this. We tend to learn, and then there's a plateau. And then we learn something, and we might go back. And then there's a plateau, and then we might learn something. And this is true. And I was just sitting here. The boys are outside for a bit, and so I have a moment to sit on the piano, at the piano. And on the piano, I tend to do the same kind of thing. It's this kind of thing. And I like to sing along to play with the piano. And I just wanted to say that I've lost probably this year alone, I've lost interest in accordion and in piano and in ukulele at least 10 times. I've lost interest in these instruments multiple times this year. What gets me excited about music, and this might work for you as well, this is speaking to my student and to you, whoever you are, whether it's professionally, whether it's with a hobby, whether it's cooking, whether it's a sport, other people excite me and other people's interests. So when I sit down, I tend to play the same thing over and over again. It's usually when someone sends me an email that says, hey, have you listened to the new soundtrack to this TV show? Or hey, you should check out the video game theme song to such and such video game. Or hey, have you checked out this Latin song? So that usually gets me out of my musical rut. Usually music stagnates. If I'm picking up the ukulele, I'm playing the exact same chords. I know all the chords, but I tend to sing the same songs and the same chords that I'll play on the piano as well. It takes someone else, it takes some other thing to get me out of my musical stagnation. So again, it could be a bit of education, could be me pulling up a YouTube video of someone playing some cool chords on the ukulele. It could be someone doing something interesting on the accordion, getting a teacher, picking up a songbook, looking at an Accordion Love Monthly Challenge and trying it out yourself. All those things tend to shake up that stagnation. But again, what I want to communicate with this video is that being bored with an instrument is a normal thing. It happens to me, it happens to everyone. It's a universal truth. My pizza baking every once in a while gets really, really tired. I get tired of the same pizza. So I'll try a new pizza sauce. Instead of a tomato sauce, I'll try a different tomato, or I'll try a white sauce. Instead of the same dough recipe, I'll try a longer fermentation. That stuff tends to help. Some other ideas for you. Try teaching. If you're in a position where you're comfortable enough with your playing to get out of a musical rut, don't become a teacher, but try teaching someone something. Go to a local school, put up a Facebook post saying, hey, happy to teach someone for 3 lessons for an exchange or for free. Just to be able to teach something might inspire you in a new way to relate to your instrument by teaching someone something else. You could try a little musical project to say, I'm going to record an accordion album. If not an album, I'm going to record an accordion track in this key. It could be I'm going to use my 2 fingers and always play notes that are next to each other to play with dissonance. Maybe it will inspire some musical idea. For me, having an accountability partner musically really helps. So if I'm looking wherever you are maybe, if there's a jam circle, if there's a friend of yours that plays music, or you can do a community post that says, hey, accordion player looking for a guitar player, looking for a vocalist. It doesn't matter who it is, but you could say once a week on Wednesday, we're gonna get together and play music. Or if there's an existing jam circle, you're gonna go on the weekend and play with others to get you out of your musical rut. I'll pause there. You're not alone. Everyone experiences this. Thank you. Take care.